Welcome to Hell of a Homestead. Let's try digging up this garden again. For those who do not know, this is an edger. I saw online that this could help pull up the grass. So if I make like small sections of it, it should help, hopefully. So I brought out some sticks and string so I can kind of make a line where I want it to go and go from there. I've never done this before, so hopefully I don't hurt myself. Let's go. So now on that end, I'm going to do 3 feet. All right, so I have the line set up here. And so that should be about 2 feet from the plant. Then I have my right on here, so that way I know that I can ride past it. And then I have space for the fence that will eventually be put in here. So, should be good. Let's test it out. It worked pretty good. I think this next part's going to be a bit easier because I'm gonna try to mow it. I'm gonna try to edge it in sections so that way it's easier to dig up. So I'm gonna try that now. Is it easier than before? Yeah. Is it easy? No. I think a sod cutter would probably be easier. Um, but the edger was only like $100. So, and I need it for the landscaping I'm doing, so it's gonna pay for itself. I can guarantee you that. All right, let's try to finish this row here. So I wanted to find out if an edger could help me take up this grass for my garden bed. And the answer is both yes and no. Yes, it does help a little bit. It helps me from cutting the edging of it, but Um, I was expecting that I would just be able to kind of lift the sod up, but I still have to dig, which I feel like I should have um, thought that through. But I also don't think a sod cutter would do any better than this, because the sod cutter is pretty much just two of these on either side, cutting in a straight line. You're still going to have to dig up the sod. So I'm glad I got this instead of the sod cutter, because I can use this um, on my edging of my yard, where the rental, yeah, it might have been easier to just do in a straight line and then that's it, but I'd have to return it and clean it. So I'm going to try to finish this left side and kind of edge up to where I want it to be, and then I'm going to call it a day. I'm trying out trench. I don't know what it does, but I figured, what the hell, why not?